Hello, guys. If you are watching this screencast, that means that you were one of my early flyers for our informational writing unit. So, to challenge your thinking, I created an informational writing playlist, and it's much like the narrative playlist that we've done before, and some of you, the TDA writing playlist. And the outline is pretty similar. So, the first thing you'll do is watch the informational writing assignment and process overview, which is this video that you're watching right now. And it says if you have any questions about the assignment, post them on the Canvas discussion board or come see Ms. Davis. So I will put that discussion board in if you have any questions. And then the next thing is your topic selection. So you're going to choose a topic using the link below. After choosing your topic, you're going to grab a hard copy of the organizer from me. So you'll click there. When you click on that link, it shows up like this. And when it does, you'll see these topics here. And if you notice, these are topics that we're talking about in science right now. So I felt that would be a bit of a shift. And I think you will appreciate that you get to write about a science topic this time and not social studies. And then once you've chosen one of those topics, then you will come get a hard copy of the organizer from me. Note that I have highlighted in green here that you need to use the South Carolina Discus website for your research, and that should be in your lunch pad. My lunch pad looks a little different than yours. I have a lot more things, but South Carolina Discus looks just like that. And if you've been using credible sources during your initial informational writing unit, then you should be familiar with South Carolina Discus. But if you are not, come to me and I will help you. The next thing you will do is that you will watch and write. You will watch a screencast lesson from me about how to write a research introduction or an informational writing introduction. And then once you write your introduction, if I spell informational right, then you're going to jot notes of pointers mentioned in the lesson in the note section. Then you're going to write your own introduction. So there's several things you need to do here. You need to watch the lesson on how to write an informational writing introduction. Then you're going to jot notes of pointers that I mentioned in the video. And then you're going to, on notebook paper or Google Docs, you're going to write your own introduction. After you have done your introduction, then you have Davis time, which means you need to bring your writing to me for edits. And then the next thing you have is a quizzes, and that's the game code. And you should be working until you get at least 80% correct. Once you get your score, you can scroll down to the screen to see the correct answers. So you see me if you have any questions or if the game code has expired. And the next thing you will do is analyze or examine student essays using this link. You're going to choose a research writing piece to read and analyze using the following link. Make sure to choose a writing piece from level 5 or 6. You should not be choosing any level that's below that because we are in 5th grade and we want to look at some rigorous writing to analyze. And then the next thing you do is you write your body paragraph 1. And then you have Davis time when you come to me for edits. You're going to write paragraph 2. And then you'll bring it for edits to me. Then you'll write paragraph 3. And you'll bring it for edits to me. And then the last thing you have to do is go to Edpuzzle and watch the conclusion video. And then once you've done that, the final thing you're going to do is write your conclusion. It says, begin writing your conclusion using the skills you learned from the Edpuzzle video. If you need support while writing, come to Ms. Davis' desk for help. And I do want to make note of that. On all of your drafts, whether you're doing the introduction, your body paragraphs, or your conclusion, I have this listed under all of them. If you need support while writing, please come to me for help because that's what I'm here for. All right, guys, happy writing.